Hey everyone! I'm so excited to see you all because I'm about to share my new project with you. Behind me is my car, and in the trunk is a whole bunch of stuff that's going to make it even better. Can you guess what we are doing? That's right! Let's customize it together. Let's go! I've always loved cute pink style, and I've decided that it's finally time to bring that aesthetic into my car. So let's turn my car into a real piece of Barbie art. Let's start with the interior. I just adore when a car reflects your personality. First up, we have this pink pillow. Not only does it add comfort, but it pairs perfectly with the white seat cover I've chosen. Pink and white, that's a Barbie classic. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's so cute. And this heartrest pillow? Perfect. Now I can be comfy even when stuck in traffic. I can't wait to hop it and go for a stylish ride in this car. What do you think, guys? But we are not done yet. Let's keep going. Next step, let's add some more cute details. Starting with the air freshener on the rear view mirror. I went with a floral scent, so my car smells just as good as it looks. Now for the steering wheel cover. Soft, pink and so cozy. I feel like driving is going to be even more comfortable now. And the color? Absolutely perfect. Another important element, this pink silicone cup holder. I always need my drink on the go, so this is an essential. Plus, it adds that stylish, cute touch on the interior. And to finish, soft toys. I've chosen a few small toys with pink elements to decorate the back seat area. They make the car even cuter and more unique. It's like Barbie herself driving this car. So, are you ready to see the final result? Let's check out this beauty. And there you have it. My car now is fully customized with pink accents, comfy seats and adorable accessories. It's a dream. I'm so happy with the result. What do you think? It's exactly what I wanted. I only wish they made cars like this straight from the factory. I hope you enjoyed this video and love my stylish custom car. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!